What's up, y'all? It's your girl Ruthie. Welcome back. I have a mini Shein haul for you today. It's actually going to be two parts because I ordered and then I turned around and it reordered. So let's get into it. I've got a lot of different things in this haul. Some stuff I was able to get on a flash deal. And then some things I just got straight up outright. My kids are home, so you are going to hear them in the in the background. I don't know if y'all can see everything in here. I have a few items. First things first, I got a microphone because I don't know if y'all had caught one of my videos. On my laptop, my speaker won't pick me up no more. So I got a microphone so I can do voiceovers now. Oh, I'm going to be doing pedicures because, I forgot to tell y'all. So if y'all caught any of my unboxings, y'all know I am going to school. Well, I went to school to get my nail tech license. I failed my test by 1 point. Hated it. And I am scheduled to retake it on Wednesday. This Wednesday, coming up on the 28th. So y'all wish me luck. This was a pedicure to do pedicures. This is a light. It's a flash here. Because I need one. Because the one that I have is for gel X tips. It works, but not the way I want it. So I got that. These are toenail press-ons because I want to start making press-ons for toenails. So I found these on Shein. It's a big toe. So I will let y'all know how my toenail press-ons come out because that's my next move. And then I got, what are these? Oh, like the little applicators, different size applicators. I bought it specifically to do foils because if y'all got hip to any of Max's Nail Couture scoops, you know you got a crap ton of foils. So that's why I bought this. I might try to put in prices. I have to see how it goes if I'm able to. On all of the stuff that I got. And then this, I got a 2-in-1. So it's the little dotting tool at one end and then liner brushes on the other end. It is a 5-piece because I'm trying to be able to do nail art more. Oh, this is the airbrush. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see it. But this is the airbrush stickers because those are really popular right now. Let me see if I can take this out so you can see it without that sticker. I got 2 different sets. So this one is the hearts. I don't know if y'all can see it, but if you are, these ones are the airbrush hearts. There are 2 sheets of those. Oh, butterfly charms. Here's my little thingy thing. Where did I put it? Oh my god. So I don't know where I put my charms at. I don't see it. So I'm gonna have to just pour it in my hand. Here we go. But they're butterfly charms. I thought they were cute, and everybody is getting the butterfly charms. Isn't it? So I got those. I got glue, because you always need glue. If you're doing nails constantly, you're always gonna need glue. Oh, hey. You're leaving me. So this is they are towels. Ah, I don't know why I thought they were gonna be bigger than this. But these are towels. I thought they were cute. They're only $1 for a 10-pack. They're soft. Stuffing it back in there. Throwing it in there. Alright. I'm gonna have to wash them before I use them. What else do I have? Oh, so I got 2 different things of brushes. I didn't realize it until after I bought them that I got this size. So it's 4 in this pack, and then I got a 10-pack. This is reflective glitter. And I thought it was so cute. And I seen a reflective ombre that I want to do. Hopefully I don't get it everywhere. I'm going to try to open it without getting it everywhere. So hopefully y'all can see that. But it's just a reflective glitter. And that came in a 6-pack. Hold tight. All right, intermission. I'm back. So I got some big nail clippers because I know sometimes, ooh, that was the wrong way. My acrylics can get a little too thick. And so you need something to open it. So I got a wide mouth. Oh, this is not as wide as I thought it was going to be. With a wide mouth, straight nail clipper. And charms. So I always like these. And I've been wanting to do more of these planets, putting them on the nails. So, oh, that one's trying to come out. Got some little charms, little planet charms. These ones, they're just the regular circle ones. They're not the, because I seen some that were like a heart, and I thought those were really cute too. Got that. Oh, I got two. Okay, I didn't realize I got two. So I have 8 of these now, which you can never go wrong. You always need brushes to clean. I have a couple more things in this bag. Okay. Oh, this is the other one I was telling y'all about. The other airbrush. Because I want to do an airbrush nail. Okay. Oh, these got 3 different. Oh, okay. So hopefully y'all be able to see it and it's not too much of a glare. But these ones are like planets, clouds, hearts, butterflies. All different airbrush. This one is butterflies, stars, hearts. A couple of more different ones. I hope y'all can see that. And then this one is the same, butterflies, hearts, stars. Okay. Okay. I didn't realize it was gonna be 3 in a pack, so that worked out. Alright. I got stars. Those stars are popping up. Charms, that is. So I got a 6 grid star. These are all just different shaped stars. Some have diamonds in them, some don't. Or maybe, no, none of them do, I don't think. No, none of these have diamonds. They're like little perforated edges. Well, that's the back of it. So it's flat per se. You could put it on the nail. That's that. Get my boob all on the table. So this is blooming gel. Because believe it or not, I do not have blooming gel. So I found some. And I got it. Oh, I like the brush on that. So, put that back in the case. This is, I think I'm missing something. This is a mandrel. The mini mandrel bit. Because I have baby fingers. And sometimes I just need to get in them little crevices to be able to properly do my nails. So that's this. And like I said, I'm gonna try to find the prices so y'all can see. I only spent like, I think this one was like $40. Some charms, all pink this time. I kind of missed the wave for Valentine's Day. But I seen these and I thought they were cute. They were only like 87 cents. Just all different type of charms. Bows, flowers, butterflies, hearts, moons. All types of things in here. roses, like all kinds of things. What is that? That I guess is a bow. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. Some AB crystals, cause duh, you gotta have AB crystals. This is like the 1500 pack, and I didn't have any, so I had to get some more AB crystals. I don't know if I'm gonna do a voiceover or if I'm just gonna leave everything in here. I haven't decided. But that is it for my first Shein unboxing. I have another one. Stay tuned.